Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure network security with Checkpoint, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by launching the Checkpoint Smart Console. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Network tab. Select Gateways and Servers from the drop-down menu. Click on Manage Gateways to add a new gateway. Choose Add to create a new security gateway. Enter a name for your gateway for easy identification. Assign the appropriate IP address for the gateway. Configure the interface settings, including network mask and gateway. Set up routing by specifying the default route for your network. Next, navigate to the Security Policies tab. Select Access Control from the policy options available. Create a new policy by clicking on New Policy. Define the user and group settings for access permissions. Specify the source and destination networks for the traffic. Set the appropriate services that should be allowed or denied. Review your security policy settings to ensure they meet your requirements. Click on Install Policy to apply the changes to the gateway. Monitor the logs to check for any unauthorized access attempts. Adjust your policy settings as necessary based on the log findings. Periodically review the configuration for updates and improvements. Ensure that you have regular backups of your configurations. Test your security setup by simulating different attack scenarios. Document your configurations and policies for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.